How to activate Zelle with the Bank of America. First, open your browser and visit enroll.zellepay.com. This is the official Zelle Find Your Bank enrollment page. Now, once you're on the page, click on Start Search. You may scroll down to find Bank of America from the list, or you may use the search bar. Once found, click on the Bank of America's name. Once this prompt will appear, click on Continue to your bank. This will redirect you to the Zelle enrollment page embedded in Bank of America's online banking site. Now, what you need to do here is log in with your Bank of America's credentials, same as your online banking. Once logged in, the system will prompt you to accept Zelle terms of service, verify your identity, choose the email address or US mobile number you want associated with Zelle, and select the checking or savings account. To confirm and complete the enrollment, follow on-screen prompts, and Zelle will send a one-time verification code to the email or phone number you have entered. Enter the code when prompted. Once confirmed, your Zelle is activated within Bank of America, and you'll be able to send and receive money via Zelle through online banking or the mobile app. If you like this video, follow for more tutorials.